Hi everyone, Melissa here, coming on with a quick card share. I wanted to enter or show support to a few ladies here on YouTube, and they have a couple challenges going on. One is 12 days with Elise and Rhonda, and the other one is 12 days of Christmas cheer collab 2021, and that's hosted by Poet Spice. And so I just wanted to come on real quick and show you this card. On 12 Days with Elise and Rhonda, they have their challenge today was Christmas cards. And of course, I'm a card maker, so why wouldn't I enter that challenge? But, anyways, let me show you the things that I use. I use this die, which was in my stash. This here is from My Creative Time, Joyful Greetings to You. And this candy cane is from My Creative Time as well. So, and then I have this, which was gifted to me from my friend. And I want to say it's a Crafter's Companion die. And I'm using that little tag there. And another My Creative Time candy cane die set, which impresses into the paper. And yeah, so she no longer has this as well as that other candy cane. I don't think she sells those anymore, so sorry for that. All right, so anyways, this is what I made, and I got some inspiration from a card from My Creative Time, who made a card very similar to this, if not almost exact. But I really liked it, so I wanted to take the time to make that, and that's what I did within the last week or so. And this was a perfect day to share it. So that's how that looks. This was in my stash. I actually won this from one of a person who I was subscribed to. I can't remember who it was though. Sorry for that. Anyways, and I added some red stickles on that candy cane and stamped that Joyful Greetings to You, and cut that out with the papers that I had in my stash. So very simple card, didn't take long to put together. And oh, I forgot to get that die out. I always forget to get this die out, and I got this from Elizabeth's Crafts. So that's that. And like I said, I want to show some support to these ladies. I'll have their links down below. So that would be Elise and Rhonda, and I'll have both of their links as well as Poet Spice's link. And that is all I have for you. Thanks so much, everyone, for stopping by. You all have a blessed and crafty day. Happy holidays to you.